Today I'm grilling Tomahawk Ribeye steaks. These are fresh from a local butcher shop. Each rib was about 4 pounds. To help us cook them faster, we asked the butcher to slice each rib in half, so we ended up with 4 1.5-inch 2 pounds ribeye steaks. The price is also not too expensive. We paid $16 per pound, which is about the same as other prime cuts of beef. Bring the steaks to room temperature for about an hour. Sprinkle on some rock salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Or just use Montreal steak seasoning. Sprinkle all over the steaks, including the sides. Let it rest for 10 minutes before you grill them. Start the grill and wait until it reaches between 550 to 600 Fahrenheit. Cook for 2.5 minutes and turn them 90 and cook for another 2.5 minutes to make a nice cross-hatched grill mark. Then flip them over and repeat to make the grill marks on the other side. Cover the grill while it cooks. As I mentioned earlier, we asked the butcher to cut them into 1.5-inch thick pieces, so it took just 10 minutes for medium rare, otherwise it would have taken 45 minutes. I wish you each and everyone a great Memorial Day. Thanks for joining. See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.